Hi, my name is Pooja Dubey, and as a handwriting expert, I truly understand the difference a high quality pencil can make. Today, I'm excited to share my experience with DOMS Zillion Pencil, a writing tool that delivers on performance, design, and comfort. Whether you're writing down long notes or jotting down quick pointers, the depth and darkness of each line make your words stand out effortlessly. Let's talk about its striking appearance. The Zillion comes with a premium dual-tone finish, elegant gold and silver accents on one side, and sleek matte black finish on the other. It's modern, stylish, and adds a touch of sophistication to your everyday writing. In terms of comfort, its hexagonal ergonomic shape makes a real difference. It ensures a firm grip and a natural hand alignment, preventing slippage and reducing hand fatigue even during extended writing sessions. So to all students and professionals, add an edge to your writing. Choose DOMS Zillion Pencil, where dark meets distinction.